Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best diabetes monitor you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best diabetes monitor on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which diabetes monitor are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is OVON Diabetes Monitoring System. This OVON glucometer utilizes cutting-edge test strips that consistently outperform international accuracy standards. The strips are created using an automatic carbon printing technique, which ensures their stability and precision. Easy to use. Follow the glucose monitor kit operation video and you can get results in 6s. The code-free design, 10 depth settings and smooth release all make finger pricking easy, fast and painless. User-friendly. The large LCD clearly displays the information and makes reading easier. 4 alarms remind you of your daily glucose test and the auto-off function saves the power for the machine. Easy to track and manage data. The included logbook allows you to record your daily data, and the large memory capacity stores average of 7, 14, 30 days and helps track and manage your glucose better. The glucometer is equipped with industry-leading biosensor and technologies, won't be interfered with other sugar. Automatic ejection function and 10 depth settings, less pain and more friendly. For details, let's watch more. Our second best diabetes monitor is IKZA blood glucose monitor. IKZA is an enterprise that advocates the concept of environmental protection. The latest version of the blood glucose monitor kit adopts an upgrade needle, and we will further reduce the cost of test strips later. IKZA glucose monitor kit was designed without code, avoiding the traditional debugging steps, just 0.7 microliters of blood and measuring your blood sugar level in 5 seconds. Please draw blood samples with test strips as soon as possible after finger puncture to form droplet blood samples. IKZA blood glucose monitor kit is ideal for seniors, obese, diabetics, and pregnant women to prevent gestational diabetes by self-monitoring and tracking blood glucose status. Save on cost of testing your blood sugar at the hospital. IKZA test strips contain glucose oxidase, which reduces oxygen interference. This gives a more accurate reading but still put on the bottle cap immediately after taking the test strips. Unsealed test strips should be used within 3 months. Strips removed within 3 minutes were used more accurately. Number 3 in our list is the Contour Next Easy Glucose Monitoring System. The Contour Next Easy Blood Glucose Monitor features easy-to-read results with no coding for one less step in the testing process. Help manage your diabetes with personalized high-low target range and summary of your blood glucose test results. With sip-in sampling, monitor blood glucose levels with a tiny 0.6 L blood sample. That's 1/10,000th of a teaspoon. Ready to test right out of the box to make daily testing easy with 5-second countdown. Also provides 7, 14 and 30-day averages of your blood glucose levels. Allows you to apply more blood to the test strip within 20 seconds, which may help prevent wasting test strips and save money. Fourth recommendation in our side is Caresense N blood glucose monitor. Caresense Plus Bluetooth blood sugar monitor requires only a small blood sample size of 0.5, making finger pricking easy and painless. Caresense diabetes test strip is auto-coded and automatically recognizes the batch code encrypted on Caresense blood glucose test strip. Caresense diabetes testing kit includes 1 blood glucose meter, 100 blood sugar test strips, 1 lancing device, 100 lancets, and a traveling case to provide you with the most affordable and convenient way for blood sugar testing. This blood sugar test kit saves up to 250 tests and has a battery life of 1000 tests. Caresense blood glucose meter provides fast results in just 5 seconds, making blood sugar testing fast and convenient. This glucometer kit comes with a handy traveling case that can hold all your diabetes testing kit so that you can measure your blood sugar at the comfort of your home or anywhere else. Caresense blood glucose monitor kit is very simple and easy to use, making blood sugar testing easy for all. Our lightweight blood sugar monitor has a simple design to make diabetes testing easy to understand and hassle-free. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best diabetes monitor list is ETec City Blood Pressure Monitor. The monitor features a large LED screen that's easier to read than other arm or wrist machines on the market, as well as a portable USB-C charging cable, so you can take it on the go. ETec City Cuff makes measuring blood pressure easier than ever. Blood pressure is an important indicator of people's overall health. Measuring your blood pressure regularly helps you stay on top of your heart health and request treatment before problems arise. Take care of yourself and your loved ones with irregular heartbeat alerts and a clear, colorful WHO indicator that gives you the most convenient care. Storing up to 90 results for up to 2 users, the monitor helps you look out for your family. Tired of uncomfortable cuffs that don't fit? This universal size cuffs fit most arms for a better fit and better readings. The monitor's speaker function reads your results aloud. Sleek buttons enable smooth operating experiences. Say goodbye to cheap monitors and hello to healthy living. For details, let's watch more.